Running out of closet space but still have inches of unused room under your bed? That's wasted storage potential. The right underbed storage with wheels turns dead space into organized gold. Today on Cool Product, we're ranking the best rolling underbed storage bins that glide smoothly, hold serious weight, and keep clutter completely under control. If you want flexible capacity with smooth mobility, the Budding Joy underbed storage with wheels is a practical starting point. With an 80-liter expandable design measuring 31.5 by 15.75 by 9.45 inches, it even adjusts in height up to 11.02 inches to fit different bed frames. 6360-degree rotating casters glide easily across hardwood, tile, or carpet, and two wheels lock in place. The non-woven fabric body includes reinforced handles, a detachable bottom board, and a clear PVC window for quick identification. The expandable height is a clever touch for taller bed frames. It handles bedding, seasonal decor, or shoes without sagging. However, non-woven fabric isn't as rigid as full metal frame options when heavily loaded. It's durable for everyday storage, but not ideal for very dense items long-term. For adaptable home organization, it's a strong entry choice. Now stepping up in strength, the Learex underbed storage with wheels focuses on durability. Built with 600 DPU fabric, reinforced metal tubes, and a solid base, it supports up to 70 pounds without bending. 4 silent and 360-degree wheels make repositioning easy, with 2 locking for stability. The visible PVC cover and metal grid structure help you see contents instantly while keeping dust out. Load capacity is the highlight here. It feels sturdier than fabric-only designs and handles books or heavier blankets confidently. The frame maintains shape over time. It is slightly bulkier and heavier to move when fully packed. Still, if you're storing weighty items and want long-term durability, this one feels reliable. If organization detail matters most, the Yecaye underbed storage with wheels with adjustable dividers offers impressive flexibility. Measuring 30.3 by 16 by 6.7 inches, it fits beds with at least 7 inches of clearance. 2 adjustable dividers let you separate boots, clothing, or accessories neatly. The 600D Oxford fabric and metal frame support up to 66 pounds, and 4 swivel wheels make sliding effortless. A clear top panel eliminates the guessing game. The divider system is a real advantage for tidy storage lovers. It transforms a single large bin into custom compartments. The lower height limits very bulky comforters, though. For shoes, folded clothing, or organized seasonal items, it offers smart structure and smooth access. Now things get even more space efficient with the Tsinglax underbed storage with wheels. At 30 by 16.2 by 7.5 inches and 66-liter capacity, it's designed to maximize unused space in apartments or dorms. The reinforced structure supports up to 70 pounds and remains stackable. Clear top panels let you see contents instantly, while zipper seals protect against dust and moisture. Smooth rolling wheels and sturdy side handles make moving heavier loads manageable. Affordability and practicality stand out here. It's lightweight yet supportive, and buying in sets doubles your storage quickly. The frame is strong, though not as thick as premium metal-heavy builds. For budget-friendly organization that still handles daily use, it delivers solid value. At the top of this list sits the Yecaye underbed storage with wheels, with 300 DPU fabric, and it earns that spot through balance. With a sturdy metal frame and reinforced fabric, it holds up to 66 pounds while staying slim at just under 7 inches tall. 4 360-degree rotating wheels glide smoothly and 2 lock securely. The Clear Window Plus label system makes finding items fast, and it folds flat when not in use. What makes it stand out is usability. It feels strong without being overly bulky, slides easily on carpet, and maintains shape under load. While not expandable in height, it fits most standard bed clearances perfectly. For everyday reliability and smooth organization, it strikes the best overall balance. If I had to choose one overall, I'd go with the Yecaye 300D PU model. It offers the ideal mix of durability, mobility, visibility, and slim design for most homes. It's strong enough for heavier items, yet compact enough for tight spaces. That said, if you need extra height or divider flexibility, other options here may suit you better. Now tell me, how much storage space are you wasting under your bed right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this helped, hit like, subscribe to Cool Product, and check the links in the description to upgrade your organization game.